racist, go home. Go home, racist, go home. Go home, racist, go home, racist, go home. Go home, racist, go home.
I will. I will. You want to assault me? I'll assault every one of you.
If the label on the bottle is simply police, then only police can go in it. If you change the label on the bottle to say public safety, then sure, police can occupy that space, but a lot more can go in it as well. I think that police departments in general are not designed to actually keep people safe. I think that we need to start from a place of prevention, work our way towards response, because you're not going to prevent every incident. What the police do is they don't do any prevention. They only do response after the fact.
The majority of police officers that put on that uniform each and every day go out and go out and serve with integrity and compassion. If the police department was already supported to where they need to, and again, we can go back to the simple subject of having enough officers on the street. What I would like to see is that you support the police department with the amount of officers that they need.
When we say defund, we mean defund completely. We are not creating a vacuum of safety. We are asking for an opportunity for actual safety for everybody in our community. We are asking for a vacuum of extra arms and militant bodies entering our community and criminalizing us. Minneapolis Police Department has shown us over and over and over again that they are not that force.